we talk about increasing protein. In particular, 1.1 to 1 grams per kilo or 0.5 grams a pound of protein, or, which I think is easier, 80 to 100 grams of protein. And no, for some people that might seem a lot, but it's actually not. And the thing about that is that it actually impacts on your metabolism. So what happens is every time you go on a diet, you restrict calories, what it does is slows down your metabolism. So when you don't put enough energy in the form of calories into your body, because you have to keep fueling your organs, the heart, the brain, the liver, the kidneys, the pancreas, all those organs have to keep operating. So when you go on a very restrictive diet, your metabolism actually slows down. Those organs pull from muscle in order to keep functioning properly. And when that happens, of course, you've probably been on a 1,000 calorie a day diet or 1,200 calorie a day diet, and it's great for the first, 5 or 6 weeks, and then you can't stand it anymore. And studies have shown that people who diet usually put on the weight back again, if not more, within 12 months. What happens in the meantime is that the metabolism, you lose that muscle mass, and so your metabolism is low. And so what we need to do now at this time of our lives is rebuild that muscle mass, because that is where energy comes from, and that's also where strength comes from.